Hello everybody, and this is another vending machine video. Factory seal Dodge Ram. Very nice. Chrome Super Van Honda City. The Tokyo Fast Felon. Another Dodge Ram BMW AMG GT. Camaro, the Volkswagen SP2. Mustang, Dodge Challenger. Then we have the dark green Bel Air Gasser. Another van, a Fair Lady. Nothing interesting except the Toyota series, which I will get. I will get 2 of the Toyota series. So that's number 53 2 times. Then we have the Supra, which is I'm not a fan of it. The Land Cruiser is what I am looking for, and the 2000 GT is also very nice. Now they also have a mini GT car. So it seems maybe I should buy the whole set of Toyota. And the last one is the Toyota Starlet. Yes. So here I have the whole set. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.